Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Logstash on a VPS with Elasticsearch. Start by accessing your VPS through SSH. Log in using your terminal or command prompt with the command SSH user at your _VPS_IP. Update your package list to ensure you have the latest information. Run the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install Java since Logstash requires it to run. Use the command sudo apt-get install openjdk11jdk. Verify the Java installation by checking the version. Run Java version. Once Java is installed, download the Logstash package. Navigate to the official Elastic website for the latest version link. Use Git to download Logstash with the command get https://artifacts.elastic.co/download/logstash/logstash-7.x.x.deb. Replace 7.x.x with the version number you wish to install. After downloading, install the Logstash package. Run the command sudo dpkgi logstash7.x.x.deb. This process may take a few moments to complete. Now it's time to configure Logstash. Open the configuration directory with sudo nano /etc/logstash/confd/logstash.conf. In this file, describe your input sources, filters, and output destinations. For this guide, we'll set the output to Elasticsearch. Add the following lines in the output section: output, Elasticsearch, hosts equals, http://localhost 9200. Make sure to adjust the settings based on your Elasticsearch setup. Next, save the file and exit the editor. To start Logstash, run the systemd command. Use sudo system start Logstash. You can also enable it to start on boot with sudo system enable Logstash. Check the Logstash status to ensure it's running smoothly. Use the command sudo system status Logstash. If everything appears to be working, you can begin sending data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.